The growing need to characterize and analyze structures in the nanometer range and the complexity of such measurements with various instruments create a demand for automated solutions and advanced correlative analysis. That is why we have developed LiteScope, a unique compact atomic force microscope designed for plug-and-play integration into scanning electron microscopes. With LiteScope, you are able to merge the forces of the two of the most used techniques for sample analysis on the nanoscale. Measuring with LiteScope is intuitive and simple, yet precise and time-efficient. Its integration into the SEM prevents sensitive samples from contamination or oxidation, as the measuring is done in the same place and under the same conditions. LiteScope enables precise localization of the region of interest and AFM tip navigation. It extends the capabilities of SEM by measuring a sub-nanometer topography, together with mechanical, electrical, and magnetic properties of the sample. LiteScope incorporates a unique imaging technique called Correlative Probe and Electron Microscopy, shortly CPEM, enabling simultaneous acquisition of AFM and SEM data. LiteScope and the CPEM technology allow sample analysis in a way that was difficult or impossible by the two imaging technologies separately. Together they bring new possibilities for advanced correlative imaging in a variety of scientific and industrial fields such as material sciences, nanostructures, semiconductors or solar cells industry, life sciences, and many more, defining their own category of the correlative microscopy.